Okay. Are we ready?
No.
Not yet.
No.
What? No, that's what.
Hi. Did you guys have a meal already?
No, we didn't.
Are you purchasing that?
She got it. sponsored by the Association of Filipino Musicians in Southern Illinois. Many of you contestants were not born 31 years old. I don't think so, right? So this is probably double your age in terms of existence. And we're very proud to continue this as a yearly and as an annual event. Can you imagine 31 years ago who the high school students were? So it has been in existence for 31 years. 31 years ago, the founders of the Science Quiz Show had the vision to basically enhance science education and competition in a scientific manner among high school students in Southern Illinois. And like I said, we are very proud of these events. Before we get started, I'd like to recognize the quiz faculty. But before that, the host, Principal Wilkerson, is that right? We thank you for hosting this event. Carolina High School has been gracious to host this for many years now. By the way, I'll take this honor. I'm past president of the Auxiliary of the Association of Filipino Musicians in Southern Illinois. The committee members listed here are Dr. Raito Bugayo. Dr. Bugayo, who's a physics teacher himself, right, Dr. Bugayo? Professor of physics. Dr. Jerson Christie. The Board of Judges, we have many different Board of Judges. In the audience, looks like the chairman of the Board of Judges is Dr. Urbano Daos. Dr. Daos. And last but not least, an advisor whose vision in putting the Science Quiz Show was evident 31 years ago. One of the oldest members, Dr. Cosme Cagas, right there. And after all the introduction, we have many members have been in the Science Quiz Show that very difficult for me to mention, but we will later on. We would like to start the formalities by singing the national anthems. I'd like to call on Ms. Erica Salarda, the beautiful daughter of our president, to please sing the Star Spangled Banner. Erica.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof.
Thank you, Erica. To sing the Pambansang Awit, which is the national anthem of the Philippines, I'd like to call on Dr. Vel Christie.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulubi, di ka pa sisiil.
I would like to call on the current president of the Association of Philippine Physicians in Southern Illinois to give the welcome address, none other than Dr. Elvira Salarga.
To all our participants, coaches, guests, fellow members of the Association of Filipino Physicians of Southern Illinois, welcome to our 31st Annual Science Scholarship Quiz Show. As a way of promoting scholarship in the sciences and to express our gratitude to the local communities who have so graciously welcomed us, we have been holding this event since 1981. So I would like to thank everybody for spending part of your weekend with us. I hope it will be an educational and enjoyable one. Thank you for your support, and hopefully we will be able to continue this endeavor in the future. So thank you very much, and let's have the show begin. Thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Salarga. Before we begin, I would like to recognize the participants of the science quiz.